Ban kringi kinongwan jengok kai Pyrthei ka Sorkar kala penkre bante ka ran museum ni ka thiar bo slap ha mau sanram ka bajur tam slap ha ka Pyrthei. Ya kini la pentip da uba apoling do uba de umentri ka tanan jengok kai ka jela menta ka sngi ka artarik uno pra arjar po saw. Hagjuk ka por ulay tho ba ka Sorkar kan penherling sunret na ka helikopter sha sora dauki go hati sha umroy umyam bat New Shnong. Ka Sorkar kadang penkre ru bante ka ran museum hamau sanram ka bahap hapo ka East Coast Hills District. Umentri uloong bakat kum ka sorbi ni ka jingle sorjamin ka sky scanner ka lalap baka nong ba shlong ka de ka bakring tam ki nong wan chungo ka ki breo ka India ha usnam arjar aphosan. Hauni usnam ubamenta ki don kumba khat sanlak ngut tam ki nong wan chungo ka ki buan chungo ka ka jela bala shamru e ka jingkiok bakan long kumba henriu po percent. Halur jong kita masa uba pol ulay tho baka jingpelut ka Sorkar kaya pher ka way na kawipat namar baka rong ka tao banwan u Brian Adam kadi ka balik ki kinhun shimet bat ka Sorkar ka Shukar Shan henry ka cherry blossom lapan yat hi da ka Sorkar na dong shadong.
Is there any proposal to work together between tourism department and the PWD department so that the tourists will make them easy in moving to those tourist spots?
One is where the road connectivity is still in a bad condition. We would improve those. But two, we are concentrating more on the tourism circuits. Circuits which now will be, there is already a proposal to also connect these circuits by air. For instance, there is a proposal, we are in the initial stage, where we would connect Meghalaya with helicopter services exclusively for movement of tourists. We will start with Guwahati to Shillong, meaning Umroi Airport, then Umyam, then Sora, Dauki, New Shillong. These will form part of that tourism circuit. But the other areas, for instance, Mausanra, where we are developing the Rain Museum, that will need more investment in the road network.
Sir, I just wanted figures about this year's cherry blossom. How many attended? What was the overall few months that we've seen a line of festivals happen? How have you seen the flow of tourists? If we can get some few figures and all.
As you're aware, the Sky Scanner, which is a renowned brand, has done a survey and found out that Shillong is the most preferred destination by Indian tourists in 2025. So that itself is a major growth story for Meghalaya. I mean, in the past many years, we have not been able to get that kind of a recognition. And this time around, with us having successfully been able to sell brand Meghalaya as the ultimate tourism destination, you will see that even under that SASKI, Meghalaya has got the lion's share. 199 crores for two projects is not a matter of joke. This year we've already crossed 15 lakhs. And 50 will be next year.
What is your target?
Out of 10 preferred destinations, Shillong has reached number one, meaning that by 2025, the increase of footfalls would be not less than 60%. In terms of the next fiscal year, we are seeing that increase should not be less than 60%, which is why we need to come up with more accommodation units, hotels, resorts, and facilities. So that is what is happening right now.